manager. You can see from me seeing me trading for Happy Friday to you all. It's pretty quiet here.
Yeah, you know, when my local liquor store here was definitely
S&P's pretty much recovered its ground post FOMC. We're currently marking up about 0.34% as coming into the open for these stocks. Well, the front end of the yield curve is pretty flat, but bonds, the longer end is yields going higher. This is something to keep an eye on, will be the yield curve as we maybe continue on a cutting cycle.
Yeah, I was happy with that.
The bond market going lower is not great. I think the main thing that the administration would want to see is a lower in terms of yield, which the higher it goes, obviously the greater effect on loan repayments. $40 trillion of debt. Other than that, looking around the markets, pretty quiet. Volatility continues to slide. We were bid up going into the FOMC on Wednesday, and the risk premium was taken out of that, but we continue to truck lower. S&P's kind of flat, but definitely see it coming off the mid curve. We're going to keep an eye next week on basically Fed to Cook, as President Trump has asked the Supreme Court to remove Lisa Cook. So that's going to be interesting to see how that pans out, as the lower courts have looked at ousting and citing the Federal Reserve statutory independence, which if Cook does get fired, that will go. It'll be interesting to see how the market ends up reacting to this. And yeah, we'll have to wait and see on that. As basically, more of a, I mean, it was always a casino to begin with, let's be honest, more so if it's going to be a state-run casino. Other than that, we have Iran. US officials have been in direct contact in recent days. There's that. Bank of Japan kept a short-term policy rate change at 0.5%. South Korea continuing discussions with the US on visa restrictions. The minister to advance talks aimed at easing bilateral frictions. And in other news, President Trump declined to approve a $400 million aid package to Taiwan, which is probably tied into this TikTok issue. It may still be reversed, but we'll have to wait and see. And also, for the first time since the 1990s, China has not purchased any US soybeans for the start of the export season, which signals a renewed use of agricultural leverage in this trade tensions. Anyway, that's all I have for you this morning. As we always like to say, better be lucky than be good, so good luck trading you all.